Hey kids, Flexing Teacher Weber here. I wanted to show you what we made in school today. It's called an integer infinity square, and it's a foldable we made so that we can remember all of our integer rules. So we're at the point now where we've done add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. Now we need to start utilizing all of those operations at the same time, and it can sometimes be tricky to remember. So we're going to use this integer infinity square to remember. So we made this today, and it reviews all of our rules. So if you look at the first page, it says it's got the two rules for adding integers. If signs are the same, we're friends. Add the values of the numbers and keep their sign. So you've got positive 6 and positive 5 equals 11, and negative 7 plus negative 3 equals negative 10, and so on. And then the other one, if signs are different, we're at war. The larger valued number will win the sign battle. Subtract the values of the numbers to see by how much. And you've got a couple of examples of adding integers there. And then this thing's sort of like an integer transformer. So now it transforms to show some of the other rules. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. It's sort of tricky, especially with holding a camera. But I'll do my best here. My God, my hands look terrible. So I'm making the sound of a transformer. Sorry about my hands. Okay, so the rules for subtracting integers. Subtraction is the same as adding the opposite. So rewrite subtraction problems as addition problems and then use addition rules. So you've got some examples there of rewriting subtraction problems using adding the opposite and then solving them. So adding and subtracting rules are similar. And then the multiply and divide rules are the same, but they're different than add, subtract, and that's where it gets confusing. So let's transform our infinity square to show multiplication. Making the sound of a transformer right now. And there's integer multiplication. Same signs positive, different signs negative, and there's some examples of integer multiplication there. And then, even though integer division is the same as multiplication, we still can transform to get the rules for integer division. Integer division, same signs, positive answer, different signs, negative answer. And then, because infinity means to go on forever, so check this out, this goes on forever because now we transform it again. And there you go, we're back to where we started, and we can do it all again. Do it all. And so then we can go from adding integers to subtracting integers to multiplying to divide again. So the idea, though, is even though it's fun to play with this thing, the idea is to use it when you're working with integers and working on your assignments so that you have the rules in front of you. So I hope this helps. If you don't have one of these, the next time we're in class, we will make one with you. That's all for now. Flexing Teacher Weber, out.